Hello everyone, so today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the Modal wrist strap. So I got the color black, and I did have the pink one I did doing a unboxing for a while back. I believe that video is still up, but I did get the pink sand color. So this is my Galaxy Watch 3, and this works for multiple watches. I'll definitely put a link to this in the description below where to purchase. I did get this from Best Buy. And this is open box, so I was surprised I even got a box. Since I did get open box, I did save some money doing that. Now the box is busted, so it was maybe a return, I'm guessing, but I will definitely still wash this just in case it was a return and open. But it just looks like the box is just busted, and then someone just didn't want it and returned it, but who knows. So this is the back of it. I don't know if it's going to focus the description about it, but if not, I'll post a photo in case it doesn't focus. It's a Samsung Galaxy Watch 42mm, Samsung Galaxy Watch Active 40mm, and 44mm, Samsung Galaxy Watch Active 2 40mm, and 44mm, Samsung Galaxy Watch 3, which is what I got, 41mm, Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 46mm, 42mm, 40mm, and 44mm. So this is just a silicone band, nothing too much about it. So yeah, let's go ahead and get this open. So it doesn't look like it appeared to ever be open, but who knows. I'm still going to wash it before I put this on my watch. So this is the band right here. It appears to be in good condition. On the description on the website it says excellent, so it does appear to be in excellent condition. If I even get it to focus. Okay, so I'm going to wash it and I'll be right back. So I went ahead and washed the wrist strap. So this is my pink one. As you can see, it's definitely, the paint has chipped off of it. So black definitely looks a lot better in my opinion. And here's my watch without any straps on it. Sorry for the green lights trying to detect my heart rate. So this is the black wrist strap on. I think the black looks a lot better than the pink did, but let me know, do you think the pink looked better or the black? I think the black definitely makes it look more elegant. That's my opinion though. So yeah, thank y'all so much for watching, and I'll insert some photos below, and bye everyone.